now.
Jerry Nard.
What's going on, my people? Welcome to the SN95 Power channel. So I've been having problems with that GoPro right there, so I'm just trying to use this basically for audio pickup. And I've tried 2 videos already, and both times this thing overheated. I had it as a POV, so I had to put the passenger seat back up in here just so I can give you this like over the shoulder view. So I want to test out this 4th gear. I want to just do some little baby draggy pulls, just kind of exercising it, seeing what it does. I have street tires on here. I do have some 315s, 305s or 315s. I think those 305s. I might not put those on this year. I might wait until next year. But first things first, I need to get some fuel. I played around with my Holly tune a little bit because I think my acceleration enrichment was a little bit too much. I dialed back on the learning. I got that I think 10-15% right now. I dialed back on the closed loop short-term field trims. I think I have that like 20. And so now what I want to do is I really want to concentrate on getting this tune dialed in a little bit more without a lot of help from my closed loop or for my learning. And looking at this, yeah, my table still needs some work. So before we get this party started, let's go back to this learn table. So let's start learning right now, but very small percent. Plus, I'm about to put some E85 in here. It's just going to it's going to change my tune a little because I'm at E47 right now. When I put this new fuel in here, it's going to change it. So, first stop, gas station. I'm like, man, line it up. Oh, man. I was about to get in that ass. Oh, I gave him a look. He ain't even look over, nothing. Come on, man. You can't be pulling up on me all aggressive like that and then not do nothing. Oh. Man, I was ready to give it to him. I mean, no, I was not. Like, I totally was not about to do any kind of street racing or nothing like that. But yeah, the draggy flopped. I don't know what happened with that. That's hilarious, y'all. Like, seriously, he had to be almost a quarter mile behind me. He saw me. He pulled up real fast. And then I flagged him. I'm like, come on. Because I wanted to look at his car. Not that I was trying to do anything. I was trying to look at his car. And And then he just pulled right alongside of me and just kept going. Didn't even make eye contact. I like that. But yeah, I think my just looking at this, my fuel is pretty much dialed into how I want it. But from a dig, this car just definitely a way stronger 60 foot. Especially if I had tires, you know, I would think. Yeah, ripping on it. IATs are. My map is only at 93. About to scare grandma right there, so my map is at 102, which isn't bad. Yeah, I can completely turn off this learning right now. I think I'll let it stay on until I can do some wide open throttle pulls. It's getting close to Bryce to get out of school, so that's why I'm kind of reluctant to do anything stupid right now, just in case something happens. I gotta be at home to get him off the bus. Car feels way stronger. Down low. It's so beautiful, like my mat temperatures has steady been going down, and that's kind of what I want to see. It's what I've been looking for. I don't have like a huge heat exchanger in front of this car, but I got something that's going to it'll help. I honestly think it's the transmission. I think the transmission mount, I'm feeling this noise like right here, and this is almost exactly where the transmission mount is. It feels like the tail shaft of the transmission could be, or maybe that's the dry shaft safety loop. I think that's what that is, because the safety loop is damn near right and on top of the tunnel. You recording?
Yes.
All right, so I think this has been a success. We got 4 gears now, and the car is driving great. I've got the flow tubes on here with turn downs as opposed to just a straight H pipe, which I had at first. I think it sounds pretty good. Like, I don't think it sounds too raspy, but you know, it's four catalytic converters on there. But I think the next thing going forward, I don't know. I gotta figure out. There's a show tomorrow or Thursday, Payless Heights. I've never been to that show. I think I might try to make that. But ultimately, I think before the end of this year, we need to get this thing to Great Lakes and just see what it does. I need a wheel alignment. I gotta play with my suspension in the rear a little bit. But outside of that, I think everything is perfect. What do you think, Bryson?
Good.
Think it's good?
Yes.
The car is a little bit loud?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you think I should do to it?
Put more gas.
Yeah, we definitely need some gas, so let's go do that. So, hey, I appreciate y'all rocking with us on this video. Until next time, God bless.
On the trash, on the trash.